Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tushtita and welcome back to my another DIY vlog. So it's Christmas time, it's snowing everywhere, it's winter. Just kidding. It isn't snowing here, it is not yet winter here. You can see from my outfit, I'm just wearing a normal t-shirt. I'm not wearing any sweater or sweatshirt or any fur cloth. So I'm just kidding. Anyways, it's Christmas time and it's one of the most beautiful festival of the year. It has something to it, you know, I just feel special about it. So which inspired me for this new project. So I went out and picked up few of the different kinds of leaves so that I can imprint them on the air dry clay and make it a jewelry tray or Trinklet tray. Actually, I don't wear that much of jewelries, but how much ever I have, those are very beautiful pieces and I want them to be on display so that if I'm in a hurry and I want to wear some jewelries, so that I can directly pick it up from the display tray or the Trinklet tray. And it also can be a very beautiful gift for someone. So let's jump into it. So for this DIY, I'm using this air dry clay which I bought from Amazon. I'll put the link of supplies in description box. I took a small portion of clay and sealed it properly so that it doesn't dry up. Now I am playing with the clay with my hands. While rolling, don't make the clay too thin as it might crack later. Then I placed the leaf on it. Now I will roll again, but with less pressure, else the clay might crack while pulling the leaf out. Now I placed a lid over the clay to get the desired shape. And now I removed the extra. Now slowly and gently I picked up the clay piece. And I place it on the bowl to get the shape I want. Now I repeat the same process for all of the leaves and I shape them differently. Now I will let them dry for a day. Once they are dried properly, I carefully take out the clay. Now either with sandpaper or with rough sponge, I did the smoothing. With white as base color, I mixed with green and black to get the mint tone. And now I slowly paint the color only on the leaf imprint. Also, before using green color, I painted it white all over as the base. Now for a third one, I'm using a toothbrush and I'm gonna use my finger to spray and get the spotted texture. We'll now let them dry for some time. I also painted the same green to the bottom side too. This time I used a peachy tone to paint the bottom side. To give more depth, I painted the edge with the peach shade. And I'm really happy with the outcome. Now I'll use 2 layers of Mod Podge once the paint is dry, so that it seals and makes the tray waterproof. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not